Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BTCs coin. Now ticker symbol is BTCs, and that is also the name of this token. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on December 16th at 7 o'clock UTC time. Brand new central exchange listing, so that was yesterday. We're going to go over the information on the BTCs token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, BTCs is a BRC20 type of asset. And this token just got listed December 16th, 7 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called BITMART. So if you're looking to buy BTCs, all you would have to do if you don't have a BITMART account is download BITMART from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BTCs, and then simply just buy the token. So as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up right up here at BTCS_CN. Has a link to their webpage, which is btcsdao.com. They also have a GitHub link right there. They have a Telegram at BRC20 BTCs. So basically all the links are right on this Twitter right here. Blue verified check mark, almost 900 tweets. Now it's CN, obviously short for Chinese, and that is Chinese lettering on there, but you could find all sorts of English information on here as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can also find a full white paper over there, and that's going to take you over to a 6-page PDF. It's going to have tons of info here. So it says BTCs and idealism. It says returning to the original state of blockchain. Now, keep in mind, this is originally a Chinese project, and the pages are translated, so they might read a little bit off grammar-wise, so just keep that in mind. So it says, Bitcoin innovation. In December 2022, software engineer KCEX released the NFT protocol ORDINALS. On January 20th this year, the ORDINALS project released V4, officially introducing NFTs to the Bitcoin network through ordinals and inscriptions, ordinal numbers and inscriptions. On February 9th, 2023, Bitcoin Punks was minted onto the ordinals protocol, and the inscription numbers are arranged in the first 40K, which is very early. It is worth noting that early March, the KCEX NFT market launched the NFT collection, which also opened the prelude to the ecological intersection of KCEX and BTC. Inspired by the Ordinals protocol, Twitter user DomoData created Bitcoin's experimental alternative token standard, BRC20, on March 8, 2023. The first BRC20 token contract deployed the ORDI token. I believe I did do a video on ORDI if you want to check that out. Each time, minting is limited to 1,000 coins with a total of 21 million coins, although DomoData believes that BRC20 is just an interesting social experiment. It only uses ORDI as a sample of the BRC20 protocol. The first participants get tens of thousands of times the highest return from free casting to listing on the exchange. The huge wealth effect has attracted many speculators to join the wave of ordinals. A series of innovations have been launched in the Bitcoin ecosystem. So in late March 2023, the OTC transaction of ORDI was still around 2 cents US. In May, ORDI went online from $1 to a peak of nearly $30. After that, it fell in August around $5 or $6. Since the listing of this exchange, the trend of ORDI has been going down all the way because of the general consensus that ORDI is the leader of BRC20 and even ordinals. There is no profit-making effect, so the number of participants in the Bitcoin ecosystem has gradually changed from a large number to a small number. Since BRC20 allows anyone to deploy 4-character tokens without permission, ORDI has created a series of meme tokens that are popular in the past, and such meme, Moon, Pepe, and so on. So it goes over kind of the history of BRCs and Bitcoin ordinals. So they have Ethereum's emulation. So the Ethereum community didn't notice this at first when Bitcoin's innovation was in full swing. During the bear market, Ethereum created a meme star Pepe from April to May. Pepe has always been a meme character that the crypto community has been exposed to in the past. So they talk about Pepe a bit here. Then they talk about rediscover. So blockchain has a consensus. First is first, someone in the BRC20 community discovered that there is a token named ETHS on BRC20. So spread the word in the community, and at the same time, someone found that the deployer of ETHS deployed BTCs, which is this token, at the same time, which is an unknown project. Some sensitive people in the early exploration community of BRC20 very much agree with these two unowned tokens. After all, it conforms to the consensus of block first is first and is an unknown project. And a shout out BTCs and ETHS are inscription Geminis. Due to the sinking of ORDI, the BRC20 community showed a decadent and inactive phenomenon. The emergence of BTCs made the earliest enlightened people spread BTC's token. After many collisions of ideas, they switched from inscription Gemini to ORDI, and so BTCs supported it, and then the BTCs lost. Other communities injected new blood to make this great again. This is very much translated, by the way. So BTCs themselves are unowned and have been abandoned for 3 or 4 months, and were born from a fair and safe BRC20 track. So they're kind of, basically what they're saying with all this broken English here, is that, you know, ORDIs was popular, then it kind of sunk, and people aren't really interested in it that much. But they, you know, there were other ordinal BRC20 type tokens created. One of them was ETHS, and one of them was BTCs. And so this BTCs one, they're trying to revamp and make it more popular again, is what they're saying on here. So it says that, scroll all the way down here. It says, its name, its master list, its story, it was agreed upon by all. It is what the blockchain looks like in the first place. Maybe it is a new beginning. So they're basically, I mean, there's little to no utility based off this. They're just kind of revamping this coin, and they're hoping that it does well, I guess, based on the name. So they have a DAO. It looks like BTC's DAO is the name of the web page. So maybe there'll be voting rights in the future. They do have different community sections on their webpage. If you go to btcsdao.org, they have Telegram, Discord, a D-Box, Chinese X, English X, and it says the rise of BTCs is a dynamic journey transforming from an overlooked project to an asset recognized by the community. In this ever-changing world of crypto, BTCs remains committed to the ideals, injecting new energy into the Bitcoin network and presenting new possibilities in the industry. Regardless of the future, BTCs will remain a compelling experiment and the promising asset inspired by the people to pursue a path of financial freedom. So, I mean, you can tell right there there's little to no utility. You can get it off the UNOSAT market. You can get it in your OKX wallet, or you can get it off of BITMART, and that is their new listing as of yesterday. So check out the webpage. I mean, it's got some cool pictures on it. It says more plans coming soon, and it says you could submit now. So if you want, you know, to try to help out and have some plan, you know, introduce plans for this token, you know, set some ideas forth. That's what the community DAO is all about, right? So it says some of their features are community volunteer enthusiasm, no contractual risk. There's always risk. Complete decentralization, frequent transaction rates. It says permanently save the Bitcoin chain. I mean, Bitcoin is cool regardless, in my opinion. But strong fairness and consensus. And then it has all their links, of course, at the bottom of the page. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about BTCs? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.